Hello friends, how are you? How are you feeling today? Thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to be playing with the Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet Palette, which is a new launch. Okay, I think this is the prettiest palette ever. I've designed 3 looks with this palette so far. 2 are featured on my Instagram, so you can hop over and take a look if you like. This is the 3rd look that I have designed. This is an everyday look with a pop of purple. I really hope that you like this look. If you like to find out how I create this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, before we jump into the tutorial, let's take a good look at the Naked Ultraviolet Palette. Okay, so here she is. There are 12 purple neutral shades. There are 1 satin, 3 metallics, 4 shimmers, and 4 mattes. Alright, so they all have a very velvety texture and it's super saturated colors and they have great blendability. This is not my first time using this palette, as you guys know. If you came from my Instagram, I've been playing with this palette for a week now. I think this is the 3rd look that I have designed. Okay, so yeah, I'm very excited to share with you the 3rd look that I've designed today. These eyeshadows have great staying power. It's the same as the rest of the Naked palettes, so I'm very happy with this quality. Beautiful color, definitely the most beautiful palette in my opinion. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, so I've already done one eye, as you can see. So we're just gonna go in with a transition shade. This is Hack. Okay, the beautiful mauve color, and I love to use that on my crease. So I'm using this double-edged vegan brush that comes with the palette. They are the only brushes that I actually do use. Okay, so we're just gonna go in on our crease. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, remember to put on some eyeshadow primers before your eyeshadows so that you get a better results, like a full coverage for the eyeshadows. Okay, I love using the eyeshadow primer potion. I've already went ahead and primed my eyes. Okay, so let's continue with the 2nd layer of Hacked. So whenever I do my crease shade, I do like to kind of like look forward. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so next what we're gonna be doing is going into this beautiful shade Dazed. Okay, just right next to Hack. I feel that this is a beautiful copper shade that's very complementary to most skin tones. Okay, I know the first time you look at this palette, you might think that oh my god, all purples. I'm definitely not gonna wear this palette often, but the purpose of this tutorial is to show that it's actually a very wearable palette. It's just depending on how you wear it. Okay, you can use the purple as the main theme, or you can use the neutral shades on the first half of the palette itself. Okay, so I'm just gonna really build this shimmer on. Yup. Okay, so next what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be grabbing my Morphe M506, which is my favorite tapered brush. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the shade Digital right at the end of this palette. I know a lot of times we don't really touch on the darker shades. Trust me, they are life-saving. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and just go gently on the outer corner, only going a quarter in on my crease like this, and then I blend it down in a V shape. This is to give you a little bit more depth, as you can see. Okay. So I already posted a picture of the other 2 looks that I designed with this palette on my Instagram, so you can go take a look. And if you like tutorials for the other 2 looks as well, you can let me know. Maybe I can come back and create another tutorial for that. So depending if it's for day or night, if it's for day makeup, maybe you can stop here. Okay, if it's for a day, what I would do is I'll just go in and really darken the outer corner to intensify the look, and then I'm ready for a night out. Now then we are allowed to go out. Okay, so yeah, after that what I'll do is I'll go back to Dazed, okay, which is the beautiful copper shade, and I'll kind of like intensify the shimmer a little bit, because sometimes it can be a little bit muted when you do the outer corners. Okay, something like this. We can also go back to our crease using Hack and just kind of like blend everything together. Okay, looking good. Now we're moving on to our lower lash line. For lower lash line, it's really simple. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back to the shade Hack. We're only going to use 2 shades because this is a day look essentially, okay? And I'm just gonna go in really lightly on the lower lash line, just a nice little sweep like this. And then I will use something with a finer tip like this one. Okay, so I will go into the shade Digital again. I told you, I love this shade. And I will kind of line my lower lash line like this. It is as simple as that. We are almost done with this eye look, guys. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go into this beautiful violet. Okay, this is Euphoric. I'm gonna use my pinky because that's just how I apply eyeshadow on my inner eye corner. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in like this and then very gently on my inner corner. There we have it. You can kind of like intensify a little bit if you want, but I wouldn't go too crazy, to be honest. I just want that pop of purple. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using this heavy matte glitter eyeliner from Urban Decay. This is in shade Studio. I'm just gonna go in with the glitter eyeliner on top of Euphoric on my inner corner. I really like this glitter eyeliner because it is super saturated with pigment, super easy to use. You don't have to keep dipping the applicator in to pick up glitters. Oops, I'm so sorry, I forgot one important step, and that is to use tripping. So I'm gonna be applying it on my brow bone. This is like a great highlighter shade for my brow bone, and also acts as a fantastic transition shade because you don't want that harsh line from Hacked. Everything looks so much blended together now, right? Okay. I don't know if you noticed, but there were very minimum fallout when it comes to using this palette, which is why I love the Urban Decay Naked palettes so much. Okay, now it is mascara time. I know mascara application can be quite satisfying to watch, so I'm gonna include the footage in for you. Okay, so I'm going to be curling my lashes as usual. Now, if you want to know how I really curl my lashes, this is already pre-curled with some primers. Okay, my lashes are not naturally curled like this. They point downwards stubbornly. Okay, so if you want to find out how I curl my lashes with a very special technique, you can watch the video Secret to My Long Eyelashes. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it a good curl. Yep, looks good. So I'm gonna be using my favorite mascara from Heroic Make. Okay, you guys already know this is my favorite mascara. I'm gonna go in with volume and curl first. By the way, Heroic Make has now launched their very own micro mascara, so I'm gonna be using this on my lower lashes. Super easy to apply lower lashes with this because the one is super tiny. Next, I will layer it on with the Long and Curl mascara from Heroic Make as well. Alright, next I'm gonna be applying eyeliner. Just use any liquid eyeliner you can find, okay? I'm just grabbing a random one that I can find, and then I'm gonna wing my liner now. Finishing touches, I'm gonna put on some highlighter, duh. This is from Maybelline, the Master Chrome. This is in shade 050, which is their rose gold highlighter. The shade is. It's my first time using this highlighter actually. Okay, so we're just gonna put on some on my cheekbone. Oh, it is blinding. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yes! Okay, for my lids, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Forever Artist Lip Blush. Yes, guys, we are done. No, we need to spray on some setting spray. This is the all new All Nighter Ultra Matte Setting Spray from Urban Decay. I know this launched in the States way ages ago and I've been waiting for it to arrive in Singapore. Okay, so I am just super excited to use this. I've been using this for the past few days. Now before you use this, you want to give it a good shake because there are kaolin clay inside to keep your face looking super matte. Okay, if you don't know what the All Nighter Setting Spray does, it actually keeps your makeup at a pristine temperature so that it doesn't fade, doesn't melt, doesn't flake. Okay, so just gonna spray some of it. Alright guys, so we are done. This is a very simple everyday glam that I've designed with the Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet Palette. This is the third look that I've designed. And I think I really like this one for a daily look. It's just a little pop of purple in the inner corners. Nothing too crazy, but the purple essence is still there. So if you love purple, here's one way you can wear purple eyeshadows out every single day. Okay, so yes, I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Okay, as usual, there's gonna be a giveaway in this video. 3 beauty boxes given to 3 lucky winners. All you have to do is to A, be subscribed, B, turn on post notifications so that you're updated each time I upload a new video, and that is every single Sunday. I know I always don't upload at a specific timing, but take note, it's always around 6 p.m. If I don't do the 6 p.m. upload, I will do the 9 p.m. upload. It's around there, okay? That's why I turn on post notifications. Lastly, remember to leave me a comment down below. That way you're automatically entered, and I will pick 3 winners a week later. Okay, so yes, happy phase 2 to you, and also happy Father's Day. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions about this look, if you want me to create more tutorials, particularly the 2 that I've shown on my Instagram page. You can also let me know. Okay, so yes, thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope to see you next week. Take care, bye.